Hi, I'm Melissa. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Target's 12 Days of Beauty box. So as you can see, it's a pretty big box. I picked this up at my local Target. Regular price was $19.99, but it was on sale a couple days ago for $16.99. So you may be able to pick up that deal also. It does have a little plastic wrap to pull off before you get into the box. So let's go in order. This is day number 1. Oh wow. It's kind of a big door for such a tiny little product. Lightning Wand Dark Spot Brightening Serum from Hero. This is really, packaging is really nice. It feels like almost velvety to the touch. So that's cool. And I have a couple dark spots, which I treat. Oh, and it's a little roller ball. That's adorable. Super cute. And who doesn't have dark spots? But if you don't, lucky you. All right, day 2. All right, I've actually heard really good things about this primer. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer Universal Glow. So I've heard amazing things about this product from other makeup artists. Ooh, and it's infused with hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. All right, that sounds pretty awesome. All right, day 3. This is a really easy box to open. Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. So they have beauty stuff for outside and beauty stuff for inside. I know collagen can be super helpful. It says here for skin, hair, nail, and joint support. So you can like put that in your coffee or your chai latte. Ooh, always helpful. Day 4 is a beauty sponge. So this is a Real Techniques beauty sponge. I will try this. I have tried Real Techniques beauty sponges before and they're honestly not my favorites. I actually really do like the original Beauty Blender that's like 20 bucks, but I will give this a shot and see what I think. But really, how fun are these to open? And obviously normally when you buy this, you would like open one a day. So you like get a little treat every day. It would be so much fun. But honestly, it's super fun to open all at the same time too. All right, let's see what this is. This is a Collab dry shampoo. I use so much dry shampoo, so I will totally put good use to this. This one is a detox formula. Love that. Oh, and you save water by not washing your hair. It says a little save water down there. Yeah, that's true. Kind of hilarious. 6. Okay, this looks like the lashes because it has eyelashes on it. And indeed it is lashes. So I mostly use magnetic lashes. Like right now I'm wearing Glamnetic Baby Girl lashes. They're like a little bit more natural. These are ones with glue, they use for glue. Iconic lights. Iconics are good. These are good lashes. And these are lights, so they're kind of natural. So yeah, when I used more false lashes with glue, I was a huge fan of House of Lashes. They make really good lashes. And considering that I bought this for $16.99, the lashes themselves are probably worth more than half the amount you pay for this box. So if you would use the lashes and like a couple other things, I would definitely say this box is worth your while. Those are good little lashes. So 7. Oops. Spin it around. Pixie. I can't read what it says. Pixie Glow Tonic. I mean, that just sounds lovely. Glow Tonic sounds good to me. So this is an exfoliating toner. It has 5% glycolic acid. AM or PM as needed after cleansing with a cotton ball. I've never heard of an exfoliating toner. So this is a newsflash to me. It looks adorable. I wonder how it smells. Oh, it has a little. Whoa. I do not like the smell. I keep smelling it because I want to tell you how it smells. I can't really describe it, but I don't like it. I mean, it's probably because of that exfoliating stuff, so it's probably really good for you, but it does not smell great. Okay. 8 looks like a mascara. I feel like we're beginning to get the whole illustrations, kind of giving you hints of what you're gonna get on the days. Oops. It's not a complete surprise. Also, struggle bus here. Okay, so this is the famous okay, there it is. Okay, so this was the first product that was kind of hard to get out. This is the Maybelline Great Lash Very Intense Mascara. I will say this is like a cult favorite mascara. I've tried it before a long time ago and I did not like it. I found that it was like super wet. I'll try it again. Like I don't know. I wasn't a fan, even though this is like a cult favorite, but it is a mascara, which is handy, and the colors are cute. So there you go. Number 9. Ooh, another toner. So this is a facial toner, aloe vera formula with witch hazel, alcohol free, rose petal. Sounds like it would smell good. If you like roses, you're gonna love the smell of this. It really does smell like rose petals. So, I wear and sell lip scents, and you can actually use the witch hazel to clean your lips off before you apply it so that it will stay really long. So that will totally come in handy. All right, number 10. What is that? Oh, nice. Pimple patch. Your blemish hero. 6 for day, 6 for night. Sweet. So if you have a blemish, you just stick this puppy on there and hopefully, yeah, and it doesn't have benzoyl peroxide in it, which I can't use, so awesome, that's handy. All right, so this is 11. Ooh, Burt's Bees. Burt's Bees Firming Moisturizing Cream with a retinol natural alternative. That's cool. I didn't know there was a natural alternative. Use daily after cleansing and applying your favorite Burt's Bees serum. So this is for your face and neck. It's basically just your moisturizer, but it's anti-aging because it has that retinol alternative. I mean, it doesn't actually say what it is, but that's cool. Oh my gosh, can you believe it? We're already on day 12. This box was so fun. I would totally recommend it. Okay, 12. NYX Matte Finish Finny Mist. So like a makeup setting spray. I will say I had a bad experience with NYX. With their concealer, it gave me a whole bunch of milia under my eyes. I do have sensitive skin. So I tend to stay away from NYX personally. But I mean, that doesn't mean the setting spray is not totally fine. That totally does not mean the setting spray is not bomb. I just personally, I tend to stay away from NYX because of that experience. But this is adorable. If you have a makeup bag that you like to take traveling or take with you somewhere to do your makeup, how perfect would it be to have a tiny bottle that you can okay, I'm just gonna try it. That you can do your little, you know, like everyone does. Oh, don't spray this in your mouth. Not taste good. Smells fine. Doesn't really smell like anything. But that does not taste good. Anyway, it is a perfect little adorable size. I would give this year's Target 12 Days of Beauty box an absolute 10 out of 10. Like I said, for me, I spent $16.99 on this. Totally worth it. Even if you were to spend the $19.99 on it, still I think with what you're getting, totally worth it. There was nothing in here that I wasn't excited about, and I think there's definitely a few standouts. The lashes for sure. Like I said, I've heard such great things about this primer, and just a lot of handy things. I mean, who doesn't need a serum for their dark spots, little patches for their blemishes, an extra blender? I mean, this box is totally worth it. So I would go grab yourself one, and you can open it all at once, or you can do one day at a time, like it's designed to do. Either way, let me know in the comments if you picked up this box and what your favorite is in the box. And I hope you have a fabulous day.